my name is Coral Martin, and I am the owner of One Tom Plumber. The reason we wanted to get into the plumbing business is I come from the commercial disaster restoration industry, and we notice a lot of times with plumbers that they just didn't have the same level of urgency that we did with our customers. So we now made their emergency our emergency in the plumbing world.
Thank you for calling One Tom Plumber. This is Michelle. How can I help you?
We actually are the third generation of plumbers in our family. And it's just a pleasure to come to work every day. I get to work with my kids and serve a community in which they were raised, and we have a lot of contacts and ties.
The reason we chose pink as a color is because we actually found out through market research that over 80% of our customers were females. So whether that be in the home, that they're managing the home, or really managing buildings, because you see a lot of property managers are females. We want our clientele to feel comfortable with our guys. When you walk in and your plumber is in bright pink, it makes everybody happy, it's cheerful, and it definitely stands out from everyone else.
Cheers to a new day. What sets us apart from our competition is a quality of work, a responsiveness to the customer's needs.
So the way that we make women feel comfortable when we come into their home or their place of business is our guys are all trained to explain the issue that's at hand. They don't talk down to them, they don't act like they're stupid, because most of the time women know what's going on in the home, they just might not know exactly how to fix it.
Well, One Tom Plumber provides a fast response time. We have menu style pricing where when our technician comes out and diagnoses your problem, he's going to give you a price on the spot. We will do the job for that price. You do not have to sit there and worry about, is this going to take an hour or 3 hours?
So we're a young company and we employ a lot of young guys, and one of my missions, being in the construction industry for the last 10 to 12 years, is to really develop young men and show them that you can be a blue-collar worker, you don't have to go to college, that you can make a really good salary to take care of your family and be really proud doing that.
All right, guys, let's have a safe and productive day.
One Tom Plumber, the name is the phone number.
One Tom Plumber, the name is the phone number.
One Tom Plumber, the name is the phone number. Call us.